Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing safety and accuracy, gloves, eye protection, and a dust-free, ventilated workspace. Once ready, measure the hardener-to-resin ratio precisely. Common mixes are 1:10, but follow the label and draw doses with a graduated syringe or scale. Mix slowly for 60 to 90 seconds, scraping sides and bottom to homogenize while minimizing bubbles. Use a clean container and stir in a steady arc. After mixing, make a small test pour to confirm cure time and working viscosity before committing to the main piece. You handle the mixed solution within its pot life. Check temperature because warmer conditions shorten working time. Once done, apply thin, even coats with a foam brush or spreader, pressing out puddles rather than repeatedly brushing the same area. This prevents streaks and excessive air entrapment. If bubbles appear, pass a heat gun or small torch quickly and continuously across the surface to lift them. Make sure to keep the heat moving to avoid localized overheating, and tell yourself to work in manageable sections. You finish by letting the piece cure undisturbed for the full time specified, often 24 to 72 hours, keeping it dust-free and level. Once cured, sand any high spots lightly and recoat thinly to blend seams, then let that layer cure. If the surface stays tacky or soft, suspect incorrect mix ratio, insufficient mixing, or low cure temperature. To recover, remove uncured film if possible, correct mixing on a small test strip, and reapply with the correct ratio and warmer ambient temperature to ensure a full cure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.